Hello guys, in this video I will talk about what is spyware. So let's begin. Spyware is any software that installs itself on your computer and starts covertly monitoring on your online behavior without your knowledge or permission. Spyware is a kind of malware that secretly gathers information about a person or organization and relays this data to other parties. In some cases, these may be advertisers or marketing data firms, which is why spyware is sometimes referred to as adware. It is installed without user consent by methods such as drive-by download, Trojan included with a legitimate program, or a deceptive pop-up window. Spyware uses your internet connection to relay personal information such as your name, address, browsing habits, preferences, interest, or downloads. Other forms of spyware hijack your browser to point it to another website, cause your device to place calls or send text automatically, or serve annoying ads even when you are offline. Spyware that steals your username, password, or other credentials is referred to as a keylogger, an insidious prerequisite for cybercrime. Signs of a spyware infection can include unwanted behaviors and degradation of system performance. It can eat up CPU capacity, disk usage, and network traffic. Stability issues such as applications freezing, failure to boot, and difficulty connection to the internet and system crashes are also common. Spyware and user privacy. Not all data collection programs are spyware as long as the user fully understands what data is being collected and with whom it is being shared. Tracking and reporting user information can help legitimate software vendors to improve their products or better support customers. For this reason, marketing firms often object to having their services called spyware. The line between illegal spyware and legitimate data collection is often drawn at cookies, a well-known method of storing information about internet behavior on individuals' devices. Some users allow cookies, others avoid them. Divergent attitude about the definitions of spyware make it an integral concern of privacy experts who question and debate its merit. Spyware is virtually unregulated. These programs seldom, if ever, include a mechanism for the user to oversee and approve what information is being gathered and how it is shared, even if the usage is lawful. Add to this the fact that spyware devours computing resources like bandwidth, processing power, and memory without any control. It's easy to see why security experts seek to prevent and defend against spyware. Tips to prevent spyware. Use an anti-spyware scanner. There are many anti-spyware programs available that will scan your computer to detect malicious tracking software. Removing spyware from a computer or device can be tricky, but it can always be quarantined to no longer function. Most packages provide ongoing anti-spyware protection against the real-time installation of new spyware by scanning incoming traffic and blocking any potential threats. Like any antivirus program, anti-spyware tools must be updated regularly to remain fully effective. Adjust browser security setting. Most browsers allow you to adjust their security levels along a scale from high to low. Get to know these options, as some browsers can function like a firewall against unwanted operations, even cookie installation if so desired. Be very wary of pop-ups, ads, and offers displayed in pop-up windows, especially those that appear unexpectedly, often mask deceptive purposes. Some pretend a virus infection has been discovered on your computer or offer a plugin that purports to improve your browsing experience. Never click agree or OK to close a window. Instead, click the red cross in the corner of the window to close. Practice skeptical computing. Assume that any new program is potentially harmful until proven safe. Answering yes to a prompt that you don't understand can allow spyware to be loaded. Understand that free is never free. In most cases, with free apps, you implicitly agree to trade tracking for services. You pay for the app by agreeing to receive tracked ads. You pay for the app by agreeing to receive targeted ads. You can decide that this is a fair trade-off, but most companies need to track your online activities to determine which ads to show you. Always read terms and conditions. Legitimate software vendors will disclose information about how they collect and employ users' information in their terms and conditions. Most users don't even bother to read them. If you are particularly adamant about protecting your online privacy, it's best to know exactly what you are signing up for. If privacy policies are abused or changed without user knowledge, a software vendor can seriously violate user trust no matter its original intent. How anti-spyware software works. Anti-spyware programs can combat software in two ways. They can provide real-time protection in a manner similar to that of antivirus protection. They scan all incoming network data for spyware and block any threats it detects. Anti-spyware software programs can be used only for detection and removal of spyware softwares that has already been installed into the computer. This kind of anti-spyware can often be set to scan on a regular schedule.